Python programming language is a high-level programming language used by data professionals for various operations. Python is the most popular programming language in the data profession. It is used by data analysts, data engineers, data scientists, etc. It is indeed the celebrity of all other programming languages. It earns its popularity because of its very simplified syntax. It is very easy to learn and use compared to the other programming languages. Hi, my name is Precious. I'm a customer education person at Zakrak Learning, a data school that trains and connects talents with placement opportunities. There are different types of programming languages used by data professionals around the globe. Programming languages such as R, Scala, Julie, Python, etc. Amongst all these, Python remains the most used and popular in the data field. Python is efficient for fundamental tasks such as data cleaning, descriptive and inferential analysis, as well as advanced operations like machine learning, model building, deep learning, artificial intelligence, etc. The ease of learning Python makes it ideal for beginners. Python is a high-level language. It is tailor-made for carrying out repetitive tasks and data manipulation. This makes it ideal for handling large amounts of data. Python has hundreds of different libraries and frameworks such as pandas, numpy, scipy, etc. It is used for performing non-statistical tasks such as web scraping, saving to databases, and running workflows. Go to zakwaklearning.com, click on Roadmaps, select Python, filter the courses, click on Start Learning, select a payment option, create an account, and start learning. Don't forget, it takes consistency, practice, and dedication to master a new skill. Give yourself time and choose the learning style that best suits you. Wishing you success.